Hello traders, welcome. It's Mr. Elsa Forex here again. Now this is actually a 100-day trading challenge, and this is day one. Now for day one, we actually had a losing trade, or I actually had a losing trade rather. But the analysis of why I took my buy and where I took it. So as you can see right about here, let's go to the 1 hour time frame. You can see that GBPS has actually been buying. GBPS has been bullish for a while, right? GBPS has been bullish for a while, and as you can see, price came out about here and tapped into this demand because it bought, then sold into this demand and would break two structures right about here. It broke two structures, this structure and this structure, in this basically identifying to me that okay, yes, this market is actually bullish, right? Like price is bullish. So scaling down to the 30-minute time frame, I noticed something pretty. The move that take out this high right about here was actually a liquidity taking move. It took out previous liquidity before it broke that high. It took out previous liquidity before it broke the high. And as you can see, to me, I never expected that price should take out this low for any reason, right? Although it did induce, but it's just an inducement. If you go to the line, it did induce it, but it's just an inducement. If you go to the line chart right about here, you see that it never existed, right? It's basically above it. So back to the candles. Now as you can see, I expected that price should take out this high, right? I expect price to take out that high. And how did I expect it? Price tried to break this side, it did not, then it came down, pulled back, then broke these two highs, right? It broke these two equal highs. So how did I enter? I was expecting, let me scale down to the 5-minute time frame, right? So I noticed that on the 5-minute time frame, there was a play that happened. The push responsible for this break of this high right about here was a liquidity taking one. So for me, it's a valid base, and also it had an inducement, right? It had an inducement. So for me, it was a valid base to trade off. And as you can see, a price came, and yeah, unfortunately, it took me out aggressively, literally, right? It took me out for a loss. So this is actually a good trade. Now, if I'm to look why the price take me out, what did I learn? Why did price take me out? Well, this is a good trade to begin with. So, but the reason price took me out is actually, as you can see, there is a protected base, and what kind of protected base is a protected point? Price created, you can see, I low, I took out that I then broke this structure and broke the I again, thus making this point. There's a lot of like manipulation here that manipulated a lot of traders, broke the I. And I guess this protected eye, and once a protected eye has been formed, it is not meant to be broken, right? Price came, created an inducement, broke this point out by taking me out for a loss, and inducing this inducement and tapping into the other block that took out liquidity, right? Took out liquidity and price sold. Though I did not take this trade, I did not I did not miss this trade, but yeah, that is how this trade went. Cheers. See y'all in day 2.